Question that has been baffling scientists for generations. Why do some people get cancer while others don't? Well, now an international team of researchers funded by Cancer Research UK may have come up with an answer explaining why some people exposed to major cancer risks, such as smoking, never develop the disease, while others clearly do. Dr. Sarah Aitken from Yale University helped to lead this study, working alongside scientists from Edinburgh, Cambridge and Heidelberg universities. Dr. Aitken, good morning. Thank you so much for being with us. Tell us more about this research, about what you carried out and what you found out.
Good morning, thank you. So yes, cancer is often initiated by changes in the DNA called mutations. And one of the biggest challenges in studying cancer and in treating cancer is that every single tumour is unique, every person and all their risk factors. We each have millions or tens of millions of subtle differences in our DNA that we inherit from our parents, and we have different lifestyles. Some people like sunbathing, some people smoke, and there's different things in our environment like air pollution that vary both within and between populations. And so because of all of these differences, they can change our risk of acquiring a harmful mutation that sparks a cancer to develop. And that makes human cancer genomes very complicated to study. So to address this, we did some experiments using mice that have got natural variation in their genes. We didn't genetically engineer them or modify them anyway. And then we treated them with a chemical that is found in our environments. It's found in things like cigarette smoke and in cured meats. And over time, these mice developed tumours. And we found that even when they had identical exposures, they had different susceptibilities to develop cancer. And the new mutations that these cancers acquired, the cancer-driving mutations, interacted with their inherited DNA to alter other cancer-associated signalling pathways. And that changed how the tumours evolved over time.
Right, so that was mice. Can you apply this to humans as well?
So our focus in this study was on the mice, but we think that the principles would apply to humans as well. Like in mice, humans have got millions of different subtle differences in their inherited DNA, and we think that that will impact on different aspects of tumorigenesis. And that's really important because precision medicine, where we treat very specific molecular changes in a tumor, we try to target those, but actually some patients respond very well and other people don't. And our study might help to explain some of those differences.
So where does the research go next? Because for people listening, people including me who've lost a parent to cancer might be thinking, it would be really useful to know if this was something that you were perhaps genetically predisposed to.
Yes, so this study raises lots of questions. For example, at the moment, pathologists diagnose cancer by looking at a tissue biopsy under a microscope, and sometimes we do extramolecular or genomic tests to look for specific changes in the tumour itself in order to try and target the cancer. But we don't usually consider the inherited differences that are going on in the rest of the tissue or in the patient more generally. And that might be something that we could do in the future to help to make personalised medicine more precise.
Really interesting to hear from you this morning. Thank you so much. Dr. Sarah Aitken there from Yale